me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the stove, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, you're stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy or broke, know we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone even when we're alone, and that don't cause nothing, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little fed up, yeah. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Yeah. Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? I know you make me float, boy, you really give me high. Ooh, I feel like I'm on dope, 'cause you serve me on a regular. Boy, these daddies rope. Before you drift in me deeper. Baby, now hold me close. Let's take this overboard now. Then dip me underway. You can fill my mind for flow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe. And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby.
Morning guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sibongisenkala if you're new. Please stick around, please subscribe if you enjoy the vlog. And yeah, so today is Sunday what's the date? Is it the 17th? 18th? No, it's the 18th of June. It's Father's Day. Yeah, so it's the 18th of June. I'm currently cooking. Hopefully you guys can actually hear me over the frying that you hear. So I am cooking. I was craving beef stew with pap and cabbage today, so I was like, let me make that. But I'm not gonna bore you guys with the cooking section because I've been cooking like nobody's business the last few vlogs. Like, yeah. So yeah, I just wanted to introduce the vlog. I don't know. I think I'm gonna attempt a weekly vlog. I'm not sure. But like, my life is so like repetitive and boring, so I just feel like I should vlog when I have something exciting happening. So yeah, but I'll see. So for today, nothing is happening. I've got my bonnet on, as you can see. Lashes came off, child. Okay, at least my nails are still intact, but they are outgrown, as you can see. Maybe I'll go for a film next week, I'm not sure. And then what else? I don't know what else we'll be doing. So yeah, just decided to pick up the camera, introduce the vlog. Please like the video and also don't forget to subscribe. And yeah, I hope you and your family had a lovely long weekend, and I hope you bought Daddy some socks for Father's Day. Okay guys, I'll see you guys in the next clip.
Up because I put the do not disturb sign outside. I didn't want it to come to my room because you
Guys, I had trauma in thinking about YouTube. Like, they really think about us. Like, the gifts are well thought out because at the game Shein, she looks so good. I might be changing.
Why do you have your hat on like that? Say hi, look there.
When do you leave the school uniform at
Say hi. Hi.
Still deciding.
Cabbage.
But I can put lip gloss or like spray.
John,
Or like
eating cabbage.
and I can finish eating my face. I start to do that stuff towards the end.
Cabbage,
So it's really like
Nyama.
put together by the time I'm walking out.
Nyama.
You understand me? You understand me. But anyways,
Ipapa.
first, and
Yeah, ipapa.
let's look cute, take pictures,
Ipipap.
and let's go. Hey besties, so I
Ipipap.
actually went with this little mini
Ipi cabbage.
dress and
Cabbage.
my
Just
bag
go
is
off
my
and after
bag because
kidding.
my bag is
Not
an
cabbage.
entirely different
Like-
shade of brown, so it's like just
Don't-
really out because I don't know
Yeah,
how many giving.
Yeah,
Yeah.
because of who?
At least it's all shades of brown.
Mwah.
They feel good, smell good, period. From Canada, from America. I mean, I made Fatima. I love that woman so much. I love her content, love her shower routines, love her vlogs, and she's such a breath of fresh air. Graduating from my YouTube Black Voices class of 2023. It's so surreal, and I am like, I'm still grasping the fact that I'm part of this class, guys, and I'm already graduating. Like, how crazy is that? But anyways, without rambling, let's go get breakfast. Let me show you guys my outfit before we go. So this is my outfit. This is my tripod, and then these shorts are from Cotton On, and this top is basically.
Hi, You're right. Sure.
Breakfast was so amazing. Like, I think I have concluded that last night people were just tired. Because they came back from the prison, which took long, and some people just wanted to go to bed, but then like they didn't have like a mixer, and because of that, like, you know, when your social battery's on zero, when you are tired and then you want to sleep and your social battery's on zero.
Good morning, guys. So it's the next day now. It's Monday. It's like 9 o'clock in the morning, and it's cold. It's winter, but it's so cold, and like, I just want to complain. Actually, I hate winter, guys. I don't like winter. I hate it so much. I feel like it's the most expensive season. Like, I don't understand it. Like, now I realize that our geyser, which usually takes about an hour to heat up, because it's winter now, it's taking about an hour 30 minutes to 2 hours to heat up the water. The electricity is getting finished, mind you, during that time. Gas is finished for the gas heater. Ngapha washing ingaka, because people need to like get layered, you know, so that you can keep warm. Guys, no. I think we need to cancel winter. No. This can't be it. I wish I had money so I could just go winter time Diambe. Ndiolala somewhere tropical where it's always sunny. All I have to worry about is that I need to change my bikini. That's all. Because guys, no, this is a lot. This is a lot. Washing every day. Guess uyaphela. Guess is finished. Guys, now I'm tired. Anyway, I just had coffee. You guys saw me making coffee for me, and Natty is working now. And I'm not sure what we have planned today. We'll see. I look like a bum, so I'm thinking I should do my lashes. I've been doing my own lashes at home for, I think I've done them like maybe 5 times now. Yeah, the first time I think I got glue in my eye, and my eye was burning. It was burning, guys. But yeah, I've got the hang of it now. I know how to do my lashes. They don't last too long. They last like about a week to 2 weeks. But yeah, it's enough for me because the lash takes, guys, I've seen lashes like for like 800 rand, a full set. Excuse me. I am now 809 shame, guys. And deny, but at the same time there's izinto, so this is me doing my own lashes. But yeah, anyway, guys, I wanted to say hi today. And yeah, let us spend another day well, yesterday we didn't spend the day together, but yeah, let's spend today together. And let us see where this vlog goes. I wanted to show you guys about this site that I use to get some extra ching. It's called Prolific. So you do like studies here, like surveys and stuff, and then like they pay you for the survey, So I stumbled on this site when I was like, there was a time where I was like really obsessed with like making money online. So I stumbled on this site, I signed up, and like I didn't even know if it was legit or not. Basically how it works is you just sit here, and as you can see it says waiting for studies. So you'll just wait for a study to pop up, and then when a study pops up, you can like read through the study and see if it's something that you're interested in doing. You don't have to do them. And then yeah, once you do the study, like you get paid. Like that is all. It's not like those other sites where, I don't know, you answer questions, and for them to find out if you qualify to do the study, then they say no. This one, you just go in, you do the study, and you're done. So far, I've done 170 approved, 146. Some of them like will not get approved because maybe I returned the study and stuff. Maybe the study had technical issues and stuff. Or maybe I started the study and then it said like it wants someone who has, what can I say, who has used like a certain software in their workplace. So if I haven't used that software, obviously I wouldn't be able to answer the study truthfully. So then I'll return them for reasons of that nature. And then this is just how much I've made so far. They do pay in pounds. This is how much I've made so far on the studies, but this is like a total. This is not like from one study or whatever. That's a total of all the studies that I've done. Like this one is still waiting for approval. Oh, I can't show some. Okay, I can't show certain information here because I do need to keep it confidential. But yeah, basically, just wanted to plug you guys, in Cyril's economy. Maybe now you can hustle and get you some rands, They do pay in pounds, like I said. And yeah, guys, just put yourselves on, go and sign up, see what happens. And then yeah, so currently I cashed out not too long ago. So my balance now is just £1.05. And you do need to reach what is it called, a minimum of £5 in order to cash out. But that's pretty easy to make. It's not like it's going to take you years to get to £5. Like literally you get a study that pays £5 like immediately, and then obviously you can cash out. And then you cash out, I think there's cash out days, Monday to Friday, for the first few times that you cash out, I think 4 times, and then afterwards your cash out is immediate. So when you're starting out, you'll cash out maybe on like Monday's like a cash out day. You can't cash out on like a Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So Monday will be a cash out day. Then you wait like how many days? Maybe a day for it to hit your PayPal account. And then from PayPal, you need to cash out again now to your FNB or whatever. But then if you've cashed out more than 4 times, then with the next time you cash out, everything will be immediate. So the minute I cash out here, it goes straight into my PayPal account. And yeah, guys, you know, just to keep afloat and I mean, it's not something that you could live off of, because like I don't sit here waiting for surveys all day, because that's really what it requires. You literally need to sit here and wait for the surveys, and I mean, that's not really realistic, is it? So but yeah, when you have time, I just keep the tab open on like maybe a Saturday, a Sunday, or whenever I remember. Sometimes I'm cooking, see, it's refreshing now. Sometimes I'm cooking and I'll just leave it open like that, and then when a study pops up, then I come do the study quickly. Sometimes it takes an hour. Sometimes it's games, hey? It's games where they want to test some sort of cognitive whatever. So you're literally playing a game and getting paid to play that game. And then sometimes it's questions. You know, certain universities overseas are trying to find out, like, I don't know what they're trying to find out, but yeah, they'll just be here paying you to answer questions. The most that I've made from one study was £20 in one study. And that was a study that was an hour long, and they wanted to test, I don't know, the human eye coordination. I don't know to what. Okay guys, so right now I have so I've got $35 in my PayPal account, and then if we convert that with the currency currently, that is, what is it, 35,90. So how much is that? 652. Okay, that's still going to go down because FNB does take some change when you convert. They do have an amount that they take. But yeah, guys, you know, 600, you can do something with that. It's not much, but I think someone could benefit from this, so that's why I decided to share it.